Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for a haul. I went shopping on MissA.com, shopmissa.com. I got a lot of things, not a lot of makeup, but I did get a lot of other products. I have to say I don't remember the pricing. Normally everything is $1, but I got some things that were more than $1. So if I know I paid $1 for something, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'm really not sure of the pricing because they do have some things now that are more than $1, but not a whole lot more than $1. They're still very inexpensive. I will start with these earrings. This is the only pair, or the only jewelry I got, was this pair of earrings for $1. I have to say they're a little heavy. They're a little heavy. I don't think I would wear these out if I was going to be somewhere and I needed earrings all day. For filming or just if I'm going for a little while, that's fine. For all day wear, I think they're just a little too heavy for me. Alright, so let me, here's my makeup. Let me move this over. I bought 3 items of makeup and that's it. I don't need stuff, but you know. First, I got a blush, and I think this was on sale for $1, but it normally sells for more. This is what it looks like. It's AOA Studios. Can you see that? There we go. It doesn't have a name. I know there was more than one you could choose from. This is the one I chose. I'll swatch it straight across. I don't know if you can really tell much from that. I'm going to turn my lights down a little. I think they're a little bright. There we go. It's not bad. It doesn't look bad at all. To me, I will be actually using it as a blush, but when I have these shiny blushes, I usually do not wear a highlighter with them. But you know what? That's not a bad color. Not bad at all. So, yeah, got that. And then I got 2 lip products. First, I got, and these were both $1, I know. This is the AOA Studios Wonder Medals. I have a lot of these, but I chose this one, and it doesn't have the name on it, but I think it was called like Icy or something like that. It's, you can see. It's like a white icy top coat. It doesn't have a smell. There's no smell. So that's it. The other one I got, I'm going to be truthful. I bought it for the packaging. It's got diamonds on it. I mean, who doesn't want pink lipstick or lip gloss with diamonds? This, does it have a name? No, it has a number though. It does have a number, but it doesn't have a name. I think it did on the website. Ooh, this is Barbie Pink. And it's more pigmented than I thought. I will wear that. Probably mixed with something else. And, because that is some bright Barbie Pink. I bought it for the packaging. It's $1. Isn't that cute with the little diamonds on it? I know. That's the wrong reason to buy things. But that's how my mind works sometimes. So, I'm going to wipe those off. I just don't want to get them on my clothes or anything. Now, let me try to, I'm going to move these out of the way. Let me try to get things organized here. I should have done that before, but I didn't. That's okay. That is here. So, everything else is bath bombs and masks. That is it. Let me grab a box. Hold on. I grabbed a box, an empty box. So I bought bath bombs. Bath bombs are anywhere, I think, from, I know sometimes they have them for $1 on sale. I don't think I paid $1 for any of these. I paid at least $2.50 or $3.50 for these. And I went to town. I got 2 of these. And I think these were the least expensive. They're the sprinkles one. They look like cupcakes. can't tell the smell, but yeah, I got 2 of those. Then this one, I know they have names. This one doesn't have a name on it, so I really don't know what it is. But I think I gotta know. I know I got a lavender one. I'm not sure if that's it. This one, this just says Hush. It's supposed to have what looks like a rose on the end. So that's pretty. I know this was one of the more expensive ones. It's bigger, actually. It's a little bigger. You can see. It's a little bigger. This one is Blue Moon. So I can't really smell them in the plastic. I can get a faint smell. This one's Honey Vanilla. It's Queen Bee. There we go. And I got Choco Lush. This was chocolate. I love the name, the F-bomb. Drop F-bomb into it's cute. And then here's the last one. Get rid of the bag. And this one is Spring Garden. It's Cherry Blossom. So that's what I got. I got a bunch of bath bombs because I love bath bombs. I love them. So yeah. Next, masks. So I got, let me see. I think this, I got 2 hair masks. I might come across another one. I can't really remember what I bought. This one is Hair Chemist Coconut Oil Deep Repair Mask, and that was $1. And then this one was also $1, same company. It's charcoal with citrus oil detoxifying hair treatment mask. So both were $1. This is a face mask, Global Beauty Care. It's Dead Sea Wash Off Mud Mask. That just looks like fun to me. I got a Daggett and Ramsdale Bubble Collagen Facial Mask. That one bubbles. I got, same company, Daggett and Ramsdale Firming Facial Mask. I believe those were $1. This I have tried before. Beauty Treats Peach Oxygen Bubble Mask. There is 2 in here and it was $1. This is a liquid you put on your face and it bubbles. I believe these are actual sheet masks that bubble. They are. These are actual sheet masks that bubble, which I've had that style too. But this, you just put it on your face and then it bubbles. And then another Daggett and Ramsdale Bubble Hyaluronic Acid sheet mask. Then I got the Esfolio. I know I've used some of their masks before. This is gold mask. It has gold essence in it. And I got it because it's gold. And to me, masks are fun. Now this one cost a little more. I'm sorry, I don't remember how much it was. It's a 2-step hydrogel mask with concentrated serum. So it's got a serum and then you put the serum on, I'm pretty sure, and then the mask, the sheet mask parts, and you leave it on 15-20 minutes. So yeah. So there we go. That is my haul from Shop Miss A. I know it doesn't look like a lot. I did spend enough that I got free shipping. I did not buy 35 products, so I know most of my products cost more than $1. But yeah, I just didn't see jewelry I really wanted this time. I didn't see a lot of makeup I wanted. But I love sheet masks. I love bath bombs, so I always gravitate to those. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And most importantly, if you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And if you subscribe, just leave me a little note down below and tell me you're new so I can welcome you personally. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.